has the lines to hold the sauce, Pete. It holds the sauce.
Yes.
See, there you go. So there you go. Now that we've waxed poetic about pasta, let's wax poetic about the traffic.
We're poetic about pasta.
One final time today. Traffic update, Pete. What's up?
All right, not the way we wanted to go out here. We have a crash on the thruway. It's on the southbound side by the Palisades at exit 13. And we're looking at maybe a 3-minute delay. The heavier traffic still running from 59 on in toward the Tappan Zee. But again, not what I call a game changer. Hutchinson Parkway, you still need an extra 7 minutes to navigate the northbound side from North Avenue up to Mamaroneck Avenue, Sawmill Parkway. Looking a little better. We'll call it 2 extra minutes from the Cross County down to the Mosholu. It ain't gonna kill you. Cross County Parkway heavy westbound 87 to